Hello PrintStoppers, welcome to PrintStop. Today we will learn how to use our price calculator to get product price and shipping charges. Let's type the website address in the address bar. You can use Chrome, Firefox or Internet Explorer to log on to our website. Once you are on our website, you can pick and choose from over 200 products. Let's check out our visiting cards category and try and calculate the price and shipping charges for the same. We offer single-sided visiting cards, back-to-back visiting cards with spot lamination, prime business card, plastic cards, slim visiting cards, folded visiting cards, and etc. Let's try and order back-to-back visiting cards. As you can see on the screen, we have two buttons on the right hand side of the page, File Setup Template and Price Calculator. When we click on Price Calculator, a light box window will open. Here, you need to select the quantity of your card, the type of paper that you want, type of lamination, either matte or gloss, the corner that you want for your card, that is straight or round. Choose shipping you wish to opt for, normal, quick or super quick. Choose country and press calculate. You will have the exact code for your order, inclusive of taxes. You can also email yourself the quotation. Simply enter your email address and press email code button. The price code is mailed to you on your inbox. Hope this helps. For any doubt or queries, feel free to email us at store@printstop.co.in or you can call or WhatsApp us on 9920905050. Keep shopping at PrintStop and have a nice day.